Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. Today I've got something super exciting for you. A 7-day Gua Sha challenge to sculpt your jawline and reveal a more youthful you. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. If you're curious about how this ancient beauty tool can transform your face, stick around because I've got all the deets. We'll go through each step together. First off, what is Gua Sha? You might have seen it all over social media, but let's break it down. It's a traditional Chinese technique that involves gently scraping your skin with a smooth stone to promote blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. The result? A more defined, lifted, and glowing jawline. Sounds amazing, right? A more defined, lifted, and glowing jawline. Sounds amazing, right? This technique has been used for centuries and is known for its incredible benefits. All right, let's dive into the 7-day challenge. Get ready to see some real transformation. Make sure your face is clean and you've applied a hydrating serum or oil. This step is crucial for the tool to glide smoothly over your skin. This is super important to avoid any tugging on your skin. You want the experience to be as gentle and effective as possible. I recommend using a jade or rose quartz Gua Sha tool. These stones are not only beautiful, but also have unique properties that benefit your skin. Day 1. Start by holding the tool at a 15-degree angle. This angle is perfect for maximizing the benefits without causing any discomfort. Gently glide it along your jawline, starting from the chin and moving towards the ear. This motion helps in lifting and defining your jawline. Do this for about 5 minutes on each side. Feel that relaxing sensation? That's the magic beginning. Day 2. Repeat the same steps, but this time, apply a bit more pressure. This helps in deeper penetration and better results. You might notice some redness. Don't worry, it's a sign that blood flow is improving. This is completely normal and part of the process. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to seeing the best results. Day 3. Focus on smooth, even strokes. This ensures that the pressure is evenly distributed across your skin. You'll start to feel a slight lifting effect. It's subtle but noticeable. Keep at it. You're doing great. Day 4. By now you should see a bit of a difference. Your jawline should start to look more defined. Your skin may feel tighter and your jawline more defined. This is a great sign that the technique is working. Keep gliding that Gua Sha tool. Day 5. Make sure you're still using enough product to keep your skin hydrated. Hydration is key to preventing any irritation. This helps the tool glide easily and prevents irritation. You're halfway there. Day 6. By now, you should be a Gua Sha pro. Your technique should feel more natural and effective. Notice how your skin feels smoother and looks more radiant. This is the result of consistent effort. Keep going. You're almost at the finish line. Day 7. The final day. Take a moment to compare your before and after photos. Impressive, right? The difference is clear. You've just completed the 7-day Gua Sha challenge and sculpted a beautiful, youthful jawline. Remember, consistency is key. Keep up the good work. Make Gua Sha a part of your daily routine to maintain those fabulous results. Your skin will thank you for it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty tips and challenges. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Stay beautiful.